Welcome to my channel, that is Solid Master. Today I will show you in this video. Here this is our bracket model that I have created with the help of extrude tool command in the software known as Creo Parametric 3.0. So let's begin to start. Go to your file, new, use select part, untick the use default template, and here subtype will be text solid. Select this only, click OK. Now here it shows more options like how to choose units. So I will take here MMNS part solid, that is millimeter Newton second. Select this unit. OK. Now here the new window has appeared. I will select all the planes here. Now first go to front plane, extrude, parallel to the screen. Now make here geometry, go to center line, make the center line vertical, press the scroll button. Now I will make here two circles from center point of origin. Press scroll button. Now here take line command, divide these two circles, concentric circle. Press 2 times scroll button so that we will exit the command. Now select this dimension, left click and then press right click long time. Convert this into radius. Make it 36 mm radii. And this one convert to radius. Make it 23 mm radii. Now here we have created here one geometry. Use now delete segment in editing section. Delete this half circle. Press the scroll button. Now here our dimension has gone now, so I will go through it. In dimension section select normal, select this arc, left click and then press scroll button. Here two dimensions are given here, so I will choose only one. Delete this dimension. Okay, now our both the dimensions are become strong. As you can see here, it changes its color. Press scroll button so that we will leave this command. Now again go to line command, draw lines here. Make here dimension as 11 mm. Again use normal. Select this point and this center line. Make it here 78 mm. Now again choose this point and this point. Press scroll button. It has been already selected here. So I will take this 78 mm dimension line, that is dimension for references, and 114 remain as it is. Press scroll button. Delete segment. Now our sketch has been fully closed, as you can see here. Click OK. Go here. Take a end condition. Scroll down here. Take end condition as mid plane. Depth will be 50 mm depth. Click OK. I think I have left one part here. Go to your section. Edit the definition here. One line is remaining here that we have to divide this. Select here normal. This line up to here. Press scroll button. Take the dimension as 30 mm and use now delete segment, because the 2 points that indicates that this sketch is not closed here. So I will close it by deleting this arc. Press scroll button. Now OK. Now select this front plane again, extrude. Take here project lines. Select this arc and this. Take here close. Draw line here. Take line command. Take here 72 mm. Now I will join here circle and tangent this line. So take here circle command. Draw the circle anywhere. Make sure it will be radii 19. Convert this by using, click this left button again on dimension and press right click long. Here it shows convert to radius, so I will select this. Take here 19 mm radius. OK. Now I will apply here some relation. Go to your constraint section, choose tangent, select this circle and this line. It automatically selects the tangent. Press scroll button so that we will exit it. Now Apply here relation as horizontal. Select this center point of circle to this end point of line. Make it horizontal. See here applied. As you can see here. Press scroll button. Now draw one line here to this end point. And again go to circle command. Take the origin point from here. Join this arc to here. Now go to delete segment. Delete this extra arcs. That we have created. Press scroll bar. Zoom it. Again here take circle. Here one extra line also there. We don't want it. Make sure your sketch will be closed completely. I will make it again. Now our sketch is completely closed. So click OK. Sorry, it takes time for it. Now the thickness will be for this will 28 mm. Okay. Now select this face, extrude. We have to make one hole here. So take here project line, select this arc, make one center line to this end point. Again use project, select this arc. Okay, so that we will define center point here for the hole. Here it automatically detects. Now take 28 mm diameter and delete all these arcs. Don't delete the circle here. Click OK. Change the direction so that it automatically removes the material here. The icon is represented here. Click OK. Now select this face, extrude. Take a center line. Select this point of origin. OK. Make here 14 mm dimension. Now choose corner rectangle, but first select references, this arc, this edge, sorry. Now go to rectangle, corner rectangle, make one corner rectangle here. Take your symmetric, take the points, select this point and this center line, make it symmetry, or it is already selected so no need to it. Take here dimension as 12 mm and here 12 mm. We have to make a cutting operation here. Click OK. Change the direction. Use remove material. Our cut has been made here. Click OK. Now we have to make here another extrusion here, and in the last I will give fillet. So select this surface, extrude, use your reference command, select this edge, close, select your circle to this origin, now take the distance will be 25 mm. Go to normal, select the center point of circle to the edge that we have created for reference. Select this edge, press scroll button, make it 95 mm. OK. And here take diameter as 16 mm. OK. Take 14 mm. Click OK. Take your extrude, select this surface, select your references, close, select this edge that we have created earlier, go to circle, select this point. Again here some reference dimension has been given here, make it 25 mm and dimension will be 12 mm dia. Take here normal, select the center point to this edge, take here 95 mm, press here scroll bar, now click here OK. Now change the depth direction here. As you can see here, go to click OK. Now one thing is remaining in our model, that is fillet. In a Creo it shows as round in features. So go to round feature, go here, set, take this one, choose as set 1. So set 1 will be select this edge, make it a 3 mm radius, choose again new set, select this edge now, make it remain as it is 3 mm radii. Now again choose new set, select this edge, make it now 14 mm radius. Now the last one will be also new set, select this arc, remain as it is 14 mm radii. Just click OK. See, it automatically selects only one type of round here, as you can see in our feature manager design tree. Only just I have set the radii here, where I want. So now our model is completed. Go here, data and display filters, untick the plain displays so that it looks better. To give any color in Creo to our model, so go to render, take here appearance gallery. I will prefer as red color in our whole model. Select the part here in feature manager tree to give whole color in our whole model. Click OK. Now our model has been completed. If you like it, then please share it our channel to your friends for more interesting projects in SolidWorks and PTC Creo 3.0 softwares. So thank you for watching it. Stay blessed. Take care. Bye.